Hey YouTube world, this is Trev from Monthly Missions. This is my Airbnb. We're just gonna go quickly, go downstairs. The food is ready, and we're just gonna quickly go downstairs and start this car and just,
You want a quick show of the food here?
Yes. I'm gonna close this door. Yes. So Jay has been working on this for a few hours now, and it's phenomenal. Pork ribs. He brought his smoker. Woohoo! Fantastic. So yeah, we're gonna go downstairs here now. So, kind of steep stairs. So I hit this button here. That's definitely the sound of an Italian car. Holy shit! The car thought I was trying to steal it. Anyways. Damn. It's just now, holy shit. Didn't mean to wake up the neighbors. They're used to that. That goes off everywhere. So hopefully the night vision was working, but yeah, just out for a breath of fresh air and thought I'd give this car a cold start. yeah, it's a Mazda. It's nice. It's not too often I get a chance like this. And so, hey Jay, let me show you something. So, grab a hold of the camera, just film me, please. It's really neat. On the keys, if I decide, screw that, I don't want to go anywhere, I hit this button, it shuts down the car.
Yeah, it's awesome.
So now the car remains locked. If you wouldn't mind filling up here. So now the car remains locked, and I've shut it down with the key switch by hitting the auto start. Hitting it again killed it, and it's just like that. Yeah, just like showing you. Isn't that freaking cool? That's a really neat feature.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
And I can hit a button and the mirrors go in. I haven't seen a need to, even in parking lots yet. But yeah, you can hit a button and have the mirrors go in and everything. But I'm gonna absolutely return it flawless. I'm gonna return it really clean. I'm gonna take it through a car wash, maybe wash it by hand or whatever. But I'm gonna return this car like beautifully.
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah. Anyways. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna sign out an objective down here. Yeah. Okay. Talk to you later.